4 toms coming in. Are they toms? Yeah. Full tails. They're right here. There's their spread. There's them.
They're closing in pretty
They're
hot
closing in now.
Drop.
Dude, they're going to come right to them. Oh, front one's got a nice little beard I can see. Alright, closing in on him.
Jared's probably got his video going.
I wonder how far they put their decoys out. Come on, close that distance. Make it nice and easy bunny shot. There we go. Oh, dude, he's in. Dude, they're right on that Jake. You can't get him any closer, Zach. Why are you waiting so long? There it was. Got one. They missed, dude.
We got one.
Yeah. Got him. They got him.
No.
Let's go.
No one's scooting way
Let's
up.
go, dude. They got